what are y'all putting in this formula?
No basic zone.
What's up, Stush, and welcome back to another video with the Stush Life. So in today's video, I'm sharing my March empties. I have a few products here, not too many, but I have a few products that I ran through in the month of March, and I figured I'd come on here and share them with you guys. I've been sharing my product empties every single month, so if you're new here, make sure you check in every month to see my product empties. So before I show you guys the empties for the month of March, make sure that you leave this video a thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. We are a growing gang and we would love to have you become a part of the gang, so make sure you guys subscribe down below, and don't forget to also follow me on Instagram at the Stush Life. So now that we got the intro out of the way, I just wanted to address the look really quickly. And when I say really quickly, I mean really quickly. I recently filmed a full get ready with me sharing with you guys how I achieved this look, and I'm using drugstore products, so make sure you guys check out that video. So apart from my look, my headband is actually coming from 7Mia, black owned hair accessory business. I'll go ahead and leave my coupon code on the screen if you guys were interested in checking out the brand. I highly recommend y'all check it out, not because I have a code, because they actually have some bomb hair accessories. My earrings are coming from Forvr 21, and this pinstripe button up is coming from Target. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into my product empties for the month of March. So again, I mentioned I have a few products here ranging from skincare to candles. I have a hair care product and one body care product. So I'm going to start off with hair care. So the one product that I finished in the month of March is coming from Mizani. This is the 25 Miracle Milk 25 leave-in benefit spray. I love this spray so much. I've already picked up a backup. I've already purchased my backup to this spray right here because it is that good. Perfect for protective styles, but you can also use it even if your hair is not in a protective style. But I love using this when I have protective styles in. I like to spritz this on my scalp first and then go in with the oil to seal it. But this is a nourishing blend of fennel seed oil and sustainably sourced coconut oil, and you can use this 25 different ways. So I'll list a few of the ways that you could use this. So can be used as a leave-in conditioner. It can be used as a style refresher. It can be used to seal the cuticle. It can be used to detangle. I've tried this. It works, okay? It can be used to make blow drying easier. It can be used to help prevent heat damage, and those are just some of the few ways that you can actually use this product. This is game changer. It's sold in Sephora, but it's also sold at some of your local hair stores, so definitely check it out. But I will leave links to all the products down below as I mention them in today's video. I also have one body care product that I'd like to share with you guys, and this is the Cherry Blossom and Jojoba Oil Body Souffle. This is what it looks like. I actually got this as a Christmas gift from my sis Kendra, and I actually really like this. She always raves about this Nivea body cream or body souffle, and I've only tried the Nivea Essential lotion, I believe, and I was a stan for years, but then I decided to get into bougie body care products. Girl, let's not get into that. But I actually really like this body souffle. I'm not sure where she purchased it, but I like the fact that this has little jojoba beads inside, just little beads. So it is an oil and a cream, and the beads actually break down pretty easily once you start to rub your hands together and distribute it all over the body. So I actually really like that about the oil, because 99% of the time with my body creams I have to mix in an oil just to get the moisture that I need, and this one is already infused with oil. So I'll definitely be picking up another one of these as soon as I figure out where it's sold, maybe in Target, but again, I'll leave links down below once I find them. I don't know where she got this from for me, but I'm gonna figure it out and let y'all know down below. Now I'm moving on to skincare. I only have two, so we've moved out of the one item category. The first skincare product that I finished in the month of March is actually coming from Ulla Henriksen. This is the Truth Juice Daily Cleanser. It comes in this orange tube right here. I love the smell of this. I love the smell of this. It smells like orange juice, and I like to use this in the morning. Well, I was using it mostly in the morning, but it can be also used to get rid of your makeup. This cleanser is actually infused with orange fruit water, which explains the orange juice scent. It does help to brighten the skin. So if you were looking for a gentle cleanser but also an effective cleanser, and you would like it to contain some vitamin C, definitely check this one out. I like this cleanser. I'll probably repurchase it in the near future, but I don't need this right now, but I like it. I would repurchase it. There are some other cleansers that I'm using right now that I like as well, so I'm not like in a rush to repurchase it, but I would. Next up is this product from Glow Recipe. recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrop. This claims to provide you with ultimate glow, and it claims to also help to brighten the skin. This was also another Christmas gift. This was a Christmas gift from my sis Jay, and I actually like this product. I like how it feels once I've applied it to my skin. I did notice that my skin did have a nice glow, so I really enjoyed using this product as well. I don't really have oily skin. I have combination dry skin, and niacinamide does help to control your oil, but I like that it did provide me with a glow. But if you needed something to help combat the oil without making you look dry, check this product out from Glow Recipe. This was a really cute product. I enjoyed using it. My skin felt really nice whenever I used the product. And finally, we're up to candles. So the first candle that I recently finished was the Forvr Mood You Up. So I purchased this mini during the holidays again. Why am I just now finishing all of my holiday stuff? I don't know, but I finished this candle in the month of March. It smells really good. Definitely smell the cinnamon when this is being burned, and the caramel as well. I feel like this is one of the Forvr Mood candles that I really got a chance to smell. Like, it had a really nice throw. I own some of the other ones and they're cute, but they don't have a strong enough throw for me. But this one is actually really nice. And I think this one was a limited edition scent, so I don't know if this one is available anymore on the Forvr Mood site, but I did pick this one up from Sephora and I actually really liked it. Should I give Forvr Mood another try? I don't know. I haven't purchased any candles from them since their nude line launch. I don't remember what that line is called, but all the candles were brown. So this was a random pickup. I saw it in Sephora and I was like, ooh, the notes look good, let me purchase it. And I actually really enjoyed it. And the last two candles that I finished in the month of March include the Strawberry Pound Cake candle and this sprinkled birthday cake candle as well. So first things first, Strawberry Pound Cake. I don't know what y'all are doing over at Bath & Body Works, over at White Barn, but y'all got it right. I've actually melted this candle down and created wax melts. Upon opening it, I can still smell the candle and there's nothing left in there. What are y'all putting in this formula? It is crack cocaine, okay? Obsessed. I've made wax melts with these. Check out my most recent vlog. I'll leave it linked up above and down below, sharing with you guys how I make wax melts. But highly recommend. You get the most out of your candles, and I've recently started to do it and I actually really enjoy doing it. So that's the first candle that I recently finished. And next up is the sprinkled birthday cake candle, as I mentioned. So I haven't melted this one down and turned it into wax melts as yet, but I will definitely be doing so. And honestly, this one was special because my birthday was in March. If you're not new here, you know I'm a Pisces. So I purchased this specifically to burn it, to light it on my birthday. And I will be making wax melts from the remnants, but I loved this one as well. Beautiful throw, like beautiful throw. It really smelled like I was baking a cake and frosting it right in my room. So I really enjoyed this candle. I highly recommend if you're like celebrating a birthday or you want to gift it to someone on their birthday. This would be the perfect candle. But make sure they like sweet scents, because this is pretty sweet and not everyone likes sweet scents in a candle. So just want to put that out there. But those are all of my product empties for the month of March. Let me know what product you really enjoyed in the month of March that you've recently finished. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel down below as well. Be sure to share this video with a friend. And before you head out, make sure you also follow me on Instagram at Stush Life. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until the next video, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys. So let's get the one product. So let's get the products that I only have. A plane's passing by and my battery's running low. So let's get the